Using the right power cord maximizes organization and efficiency of your equipment. It helps eliminate excess cable and the hassles associated with hiding extra cable. It can also prevent interference by reducing the amount of contact existing cable has with power cables. Upgrading your power cords is a relatively inexpensive solution that has big impact on the performance of your equipment. The C14 to C13 power cord is the most commonly used power cord in data centers. The C13N connects to the PC and the C14 connects to the power distribution device, or PDU. If you do not use a PDU in your network, you can also use these cables as a PC extension cord. Simply connect the C14N to an existing PC power cable and you can increase the distance. We offer our cables in lengths from 1 foot all the way to 25 feet. We sell 2 different ratings of this cable, a 10 amp 18 gauge version and a 15 amp 14 gauge version.